Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Mcx Crude oil using trend channels in 3-minute candlestick chart in order to identify the twist in day trading trends. And now we are trading in the new contract, so let's draw some trend channels to normally we used to draw 3 trend channels for a particular day. This is our first trend channel, which is a downtrend channel. By connecting this high and the high that was created on the Friday's market, we had picked those two highs and we had drawn a trend channel. And today, the price is expected to trade within this trend channel. So if the market is very strong on the downside, it will not break this blue line. It will stay within this blue line to maintain its trend. If the price is going to move away from this blue line, it means that it's looking for another resistance. So we should be very careful. So this is our first trend channel, and let's see the second trend channel. It's an uptrend channel. So by picking the two lows created on the last two trading sessions, we had drawn a uptrend channel. So the basic idea behind this channel is we know that the price is going to trade below 4550. So even in any sort of bounce back, if the price is going to enter within this channel, it gives us an indication the price is trying to find some support for the buying side. So you should be again careful with this trend channel. Now let's go back and draw the next trend channel. So this is the another trend channel. So by quite a big long-term channel, I had connected those highs and I had neglected this peak. You know that the price is following a big consolidation downtrend pattern by viewing this channel, and the major objective is to pick this bottom red line. In order for the price to gain some momentum, it is very much necessary that the price breaks this red line and it starts trading below the red line, or the maximum zone is going to be this violet line. It's a high danger zone for sellers if the price is going to break this violet line or stay above this violet line. It gives you a clear indication that is some buying happening at the bottom. So 3 trend channels to pick or to identify the twists and turns in today's trend for trading crude oil. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.